Johnny Depp predicts hearsay objections from Amber Heard's lawyer. Welcome to Celeb Talks. Let's dive into the juicy details of the world's most famous ongoing assault allegations case going on between the famous Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Thursday, Amber Heard testified in court about the alleged abuse she endured at the hands of Johnny Depp as the Pirates of the Caribbean actor laughed it off. The second day of Heard's defamation trial has commenced. Depp has filed a $50 million lawsuit against Heard over an opinion piece she published in The Washington Post in 2018 on her experiences as a survivor of domestic violence. Thursday, Heard discussed Johnny Depp's 2014 Oxycontin detox. Not much is going right between them. We were not in the best condition. I was only reacting to his disposition, not my own. According to Deadline, he provided testimony. I was smacked across the face after I spoke. I had never been embarrassed by a lady in such a way. He was crying. Depp sat next to his attorneys and took notes for himself during Heard's testimony. The incident that occurred in the Bahamas 8 years ago made him extremely animated, he claimed. According to Deadline, at another moment, he and his attorney Ben Chew giggled and snickered like schoolboys. In doing so, Heard discussed Johnny Depp's influence on their relationship. I was quite concerned about this individual. It was quite confusing and terrifying. During Depp's detoxification, this statement was overheard. Johnny Depp regularly told her, "She saved my life," and he would not have been able to complete detox without her assistance. Depp's attorneys frequently interrupted Heard's testimony with objections and hearsay calls. The courtroom roared when Elaine Bredehoft displayed a text message from the period in which Depp called Heard an angel for assisting him. Heard stated he never had to deal with a cleanup or my face the next day. According to Heard, Depp attempted to exercise influence over her personal life. The character he was shown in the script was a bit of an outsider. Instead of being empowered, Depp's opinions on the subject convinced her that she was being used. I was exploited. I was too ignorant to realize that was the extent of my capabilities. She agreed to move in with Depp to minimize his jealousy and insecurity, she explained. I have always been extremely independent, and the thought of not working has never occurred to me. Since I can recall, I have worked in some manner. My parents worked until they were physically incapable of doing so. Later, he told the court about it. I never anticipated having to defend or explain my actions. On the contrary, I did. According to Heard, Depp begged her to stop working. After bargaining with him, she was able to persuade him that her employment was assisting her parents and sister. You have no obligations, child. Permit me to care for you. According to a buddy, my wife has no responsibilities whatsoever. Witnesses were heard. He stated it was a great challenge. That sounds lovely and sweet in some manner. She declined to appear in films with explicit sexual themes and only wore little makeup when she did. According to Heard, it did not occur all at once. Little by little, then little by little, it transpired. It was an endless standoff. During his earlier testimony, Depp was questioned about Heard's assertion that he controlled her career. He recognized that Heard had raised concerns about being typecast and performing in objectifying films. He was candid about it. In order to avoid cliches such as the beautiful blonde who pulls out her breasts or goes naked, she sought Depp's assistance on how to avoid this, and he provided her with what he felt to be reasonably accurate advice, as he stated in court. It was evident to me that her ambition exceeded my suggestions. In May 2016, Heard obtained a restraining order against Depp after accusing him of domestic assault. In August of that year, they agreed a divorce settlement despite Depp's denial of the allegations. Johnny Depp has launched a $50 million defamation lawsuit against Heard's opinion piece in The Washington Post, despite the fact that Heard did not name Depp in the piece. In 2020, Heard countersued Depp for $100 million. Thanks for watching this video. That was all from our side. We hope this video was interesting for you. We would like to keep you updated on the lives of celebs and intend to bring in new videos every now and then, so please make sure you have subscribed to this channel and turn the notifications button on. We'll see you next time.